Why a Kentucky man allegedly had firearms and so many high-capacity magazines in the trunk of his vehicle is what Ogdensburg police are trying to figure out. Police say Lavelle Grant traveled to Ogdensburg with a woman, someone he met online. The two of them got into an argument in the Price Chopper parking lot, they say, and that's when police got called. Now, police say that they found the guns and ammo in that vehicle. Grant faces 14 felony charges. Police say Grant told them he came to Ogdensburg to buy a motorcycle motor so he wouldn't have to pay shipping.